Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. At 21. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. I'm just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Yeah, doing things I shouldn't do. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, and you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep.
What's going on, guys? This is Rebuilds and I come back with a new video. Obviously this is going to be the outro, so you've already seen the montage. Basically me and my brother-in-law, whatever you want to call him, have been working real hard over the last couple of weeks. As you can see, we've fully, well, I wouldn't say fully restored this van, but basically we've basically done the shell of her and it looks real good. There he is there. Anybody that follows me on Instagram knows what I was doing, as I was posting updates every time on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you do. Now the before and after is, it looks like complete different vans, doesn't it? Yeah. This looks like complete different vans. We done this for my dad's birthday and it's next month, and it was basically landing the garage from 2004, so that's over 15 years. 16, it's actually older than you. So I've been landing that garage this long. Now we've got these lattices on one side and Cosworths on the other. Now we do like the Cosworths better, so we're going to put full Cosworths on her. We're going to tidy in around the engine bay. The engine bay is not done yet, just needs tied up. The inside was actually pretty clean there. We're getting new seats soon. You know, it's just ripped off, but other than that there, we've got your blue door cards, which I don't know about yet, but everything's there for it. Now we don't know what we're doing with the boot over yet. I think we're gonna Rhino lax it. Oh, Rhino line in the boot of it, just to give it that wee bit of a nice feel to the inside of it. Now the finish on her is actually alright for a van. We haven't, don't worry, it's wet. That's not dirt, that's just soaking like it was out in the rain there. Done the roof, done everything. Now this is probably our best accomplishment yet, I think. Ross, what do you think?
Yep, definitely.
I think it is. So anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button. I do want this the highest liked video out of them all, because we've had good work on that. Don't know what way the montage is going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out alright. We didn't get videos of buffing it or building it or anything. I think it's just lacquering and base coat and repairs and stuff like that. But anyway guys, if you did enjoy it, I want to see more videos on this van, drop a comment down below and subscribe if you're new. Anyway guys, it's Rebuilds NA. Peace.